So it's got different modes and lights. It's got a remote, but I really like it. So, I'm buying a lot of stuff for the house. That's one reason I've been working. I ain't buying no clothes or nothing. I don't need nothing like that, but yeah.
En realidad es demasiado pequeño. No lo recomiendo. Para nada. El microondas no cabe para nada. Es demasiado pequeño. No me gusta. Es muy bajito.
He certainly heard me, felt me.